Yeah, so we're going to be teaching basic to advanced composites. We'll be teaching how to vacuum bag. Everything's going to be hand layup, so we'll be teaching how to work with wet layup and pre-preg using the vacuum bag process. So the students will learn how to use both methods of material and how to operate the oven. So they could use this education honestly anywhere in the motorsports industry, the automotive industry, and mainly the aerospace industry, which is why we teach wet layup and pre-preg. It gives them the standards for both aerospace and at home. So typically composite programs are about a week long, and they'll teach you the basics, and then there's another week and that's advanced. They'll teach you another week and that's repairs. So what we do is we take all those and put them into a 5.5 week program to where they learn how to manufacture composite parts using wet layup or pre-preg. And we also go through an assembly process using click bonds and fastener installation. From that point, they'll actually damage the panel and repair it themselves.